Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the automatic download of PDF files on the Google Chrome mobile web browser on your iOS or Android. Instead of just opening them up, it'll just enable the auto download feature. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the browser, and then go down and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down again underneath advanced. You want to select the downloads tile. And then where it says automatically open PDFs, if you want to have that ability or feature turned on, just click inside that oval one time to turn it on. Conversely, if you want to disable the automatic opening of PDF files, just turn it off by clicking inside the oval until it's grayed out, and it'll say off right here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.